Hey, I just got a Beautycounter order and I wanted to unbox it for you guys just so you can see what I picked out this time and got. So I'm going to do that real quick and just show you. So this is something I haven't tried before, but it is the Radiant All Over Bronzer. I'm really excited about it. I have a highlighter and I've really wanted to start doing a little bit of contouring. Just real basic and like a really glowy everyday look. So I'll probably get on and do that for you guys. But I picked the Dune, which is the lightest one. And it comes with these little mirrors that slide out, which I think is awesome. So that's that. It's the first thing I got. Got baby calming diaper rash. We are almost out, and so I needed to order some more. It's my absolute favorite. Just because I know it's safe for my daughter, and I really love how it works. A little bit goes a long way. Lasts me quite a while for her, and I just feel like it gives better moisture to her than some others that we've used, and I know it's safe. It has non-nano zinc oxide in it, which is great. Touchup concealer pen, which I just needed basically to restock on. It's the clicking one. So fresh new brush. I like to always have one of these on hand. Mascara, just replenishing that too. Mine has lasted me 6 months plus in the past. This is something that I like to have an extra one on hand just in case it runs out. So I picked the Volumizing this time. Eyebrow Pencil. I'm really almost out of this one. I keep thinking it's gonna be the last sharpen that I get out of the one I have currently, but it keeps going, so hopefully it'll go for a little bit longer. But for when it does run out, the brow pencil, and I got the medium colored one. So this color works really well for me. I don't know if you can see it very well, but yeah, there is. The medium color is the one I use. And then, for the to help with the contouring, which I have a big fan brush that I can use for it. That's Beautycounter's other one that they have. I also use it for my mattifying powder, but this one is like a fan, and so it will help put on the contouring. And I don't have this shape of a brush, so that's why I went ahead and got this one. And it has some of the new bristles that we have. So they're these like beige colored bristles, and our older brushes have the black ones. Not older like as in they've been replaced, but older as in we've had them for longer. When they came out with some of the new brush shapes, they came out with these cream colored bristles. And these are all Taklon, I believe it is. So it is cruelty free, which is awesome. And you shouldn't be allergic to them because of that. Most people anyway, I would think. Okay, and then just some daily supplements, daily things that I also like to have on stock because I'm getting low. This is the daily shampoo. This I love it. I use it probably 2 to 3 times a week, like nickel to quarter size. And my first one lasted me, I think it was 8 to 9 months or more. So it really lasts. It is a clarifying shampoo, so it's not gonna like lather up kind of like a lot of other shampoos will, which took me a little bit of time to get used to, but I love it. And then the body wash is the other thing I got, and I think this is the last thing. I go through the body wash faster than that. I'm honestly not exactly sure how long it takes me to go through it, but this is the body wash. I use probably a dime to nickel size amount every day when I use this one. And it's scented Citrus Mimosa, so it smells really good. But yeah, that's what I got. I just wanted to hop on and show you guys real quick, so in case you were curious about any of these things. But go ahead and hit subscribe and comment if you have questions, or and then thumbs up to like this video. Bye!